Ahoj.
Čauko, nežije Slovensko?
Polska, witamy. So the town is getting ready for La Mueca, finishing our tour around. We have amazing Monday here and we can meet amazing people, Cubanos, but this guy can speak Slovak language. This is amazing. Ahoj.
Čauko, nežije Slovensko?
¿Hablas eslovaco también?
No, español.
Pero ahoj.
Ahoj.
Ahoj. Hola.
Chips, ahoj. No, ahoj je hola.
Jedno pivo, prosím.
Jedno pivo, una cerveza, por favor. Jedno pivo, prosím, dile ahí mismo, como quiera. Jedno pivo, prosím.
Jedno pivo, prosím.
Rozumeli.
Čau, ahoj. Suerte, suerte. Aportiček, niño, aportiček. Good boy. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Aport. And beautiful Monday in Puerto. Let's see our beaches. Let's start here on Muelle, where you can enjoy this beach with your dog if you want. Polska, witamy. Trzymajcie się. Pięknego pobytu.
Dziękujemy.
Playa del Castillo today. Beautiful. Playa Chica. Let's see Playa Jimenez. Nice waves today. Let's continue to Lago Martianez and Playa de Martianez. So the town is getting ready for La Mueca, the festival of street art in Puerto. Every year we are celebrating street art here. Viva La Mueca! Okay. Let's see Playa de Telmo today. This is new here, white again, the wall, so we are waiting for the first mural and we will see who will be the first. Hopefully something beautiful. Complejo Turístico Costa Martianez. We call it Lago Martianez. Part of this complex is Lago, but I call it Lago Martianez. Everywhere it's easier. Lago means lake. And we are slowly finishing our tour around beaches in Puerto, with the last one with Playa de Martianez, famous for surfing. It's funny, nobody's there, not even one surfer. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto La Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. Best greetings from Puerto and viva la música.